Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. Alright, so in today's video, I am doing an unboxing for some crafty supplies from PandaHall, and I'm so very excited to go ahead and jump right in. So PandaHall is a crafting supply market. They carry a variety of products from embossing folders, beading supplies, especially beading supplies, scrapbooking paper, and so much more. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. I went ahead and I picked out this beautiful sealing wax kit, and I will get into that in just a little bit. And then the second item that I picked up was this kit as well with all the sealing wax goodies. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox these goodies and show you guys just exactly what I got. I absolutely adore the packaging of this. I think it is so super pretty. I love the green, even the little lucky clover. So I am so lucky to get to unbox these goodies. So the first thing that I see here is this cute little wax, or this little wax candle. And I think it's so cute in its beautiful container. I absolutely love that. And then you get a variety of colors. You have this matte yellow, this matte seafoam green, and this pink. I will show y'all some really awesome close-ups of these beautiful waxes. They feel really similar to what a Crayola would feel like if I cut into one. And this is my first wax sealing kit, so I think this is very beginner friendly, and I'm so very excited to use it. And this is where you would put in your little wax and you would melt it over your little candle and make all kinds of projects with it. But I want to show you guys this beautiful wax seal stamp that I picked out. I love it because of the moon and the stars. I think it's wonderful, and I think this is going to go awesome with a lot of crafts. And it's also interchangeable, so you can definitely switch out your heads. And I love the wooden look of this. Absolutely love the way that looks. And this also comes off, which I don't see why I would need to change it because I like the wood look of it. But I mean, it's there if you want to change it. So it looks like it is universal. And they have a wide selection of options for you to choose whichever stamp head you would like. So you can definitely change it up and just choose whatever suits your fancy. And then just to close it and store it away, you just seal it just like this, and it's got a little magnetic closure. Love that. So let's go ahead and jump right into the next kit that I picked up. So this one comes with a variety of colors as well, 30 to be exact. And it opens up just like this, and you can see they have purple, which has some little shimmer in it. So pretty. I hope this is focusing. You've got some teals here, some matte blues, and some shimmery pinks. I wish this would focus. There we go. And then we got your red or maroon, and you got some more blues here and another green. And I think that is so pretty. Box it comes in, it feels so super sturdy. So this packaging is well packaged. And then here I ended up getting another wax melting spoon along with some candles, which the mailman crushed my candles. That's not part of how they sent it. So this spoon is, I can already feel that it is a lot smaller than the one here in this kit. And if y'all want to be twinning with me, I will be putting the links down below so you guys can check it out. You can see the difference. So maybe perhaps if you don't want to work with as much wax that day, you can certainly change it to this one, which I am down for options. I love options, so I thought that was really nice. And my poor candles that got crushed by the postman. But I still think I can utilize them for sure. I cannot wait to show you guys how I use these crafting supplies for upcoming journals and or projects. So be sure and stay tuned for those videos coming soon, and I will show y'all how to use them, and I'm really excited. So I will be linking all the products in the description down below if y'all want to be twinning with me, and also a coupon code if y'all would like to use that as well. Thank you so much for coming along for this video. I will catch you guys on the next one, and y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Bye.